Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to learn what to do if Lensa app is not working properly. That means what we can do if our Lensa app is not working properly in our device. So for that, the first thing we can do is that make sure that you have the latest version of the Lensa app. If you do not have the latest version of the Lensa app, you have to just go to the update part over here and you have to just update your app. Another thing which you can do is just to go to your setting over here and then go to the general part at the bottom over here, and after that you have to just search for your Lensa app over here. And you have to click on that over here, and after that you have to just go to the storage over here, and you can see over here there is an option for delete cache. You have to just click on that and your just Lensa cache all data will be just remove from it and it may be just start working. But if it's still not working, what you have to do is you have to just delete this whole app. You have to just uninstall this whole app, and after that you have to just go to the Play Store again and you have to just install it. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.